Traceable Designer No-Sew Arched Cornice-Style Kit includes a reusable, traceable, no-sew valance design form used to make custom valances without sewing, and a reusable traceable table decorating design form for making matching table accents. Also included is a style guide and needed materials list, a quick start guide and video information for online video tutorials, a no-sew custom valance design guide with style-specific information, Velcro for hanging your valance panels, an essentials pack, and fusible fabric backing for adding lining to your fabric sections. To begin, remove the gray shaded area from the bottom of the design form, then follow the simple steps to prepare your fabric sections. This versatile all-in-one valance making design form is used to make valance side panels, center panels, and includes sizing lines for making a fusible second fabric layer for dual fabric valance styles. Arch style side panels are made to include a 3-inch wide no-sew rod pocket. Use the lined fabric positioning marker to position the lining below the rod pocket section. Simply trace around the design form edges to create the valance panels. To adjust the side panel size, simply slide the design form to the desired sizing line. Use the center panel top edge sizing marker to make valance center panels. Center panels are fully lined fabric sections that are hung using the included Velcro. Slide the design form over the folded edge to adjust the size. Mark the design form at the center panel right arrow and trace the lower design form edge. Then lower the design form to trace the panel height cut line. Follow the center panel creation process to make a fusible second fabric layer for dual fabric styles. Make multiple center panels to fit your window size or create a small connector panel to hang between your center panels. Use the connector panel sizing line and follow the center panel steps. Then slip the side panels on a wide pocket rod and secure the center panels and connector panels using the included Velcro. Make a single panel valance style to hang using a continuous rod pocket. Make a custom size and adjust the rod pocket to fit a straight decorative curtain rod. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.